Take a moment to check out the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. Start your day in smart style in this feature-packed Elantra. You'll love its ergonomic controls, standard rear-view camera, refined ride, modern looks, and confidence-inspiring safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo. Get the refinement you deserve when you drive away in this stylish Elantra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.